Good morning, children of class 2. How are you all? Hope all of you are safe at your home. Okay, please utilize this time in studying. Don't waste your time by playing. Utilize this time in studying. Okay, in previous class, I have teach you about what? Noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It is a name of a person, place, animals, thing. In that, we have learned about two nouns. What are they? Common noun and proper noun. Common noun means common to every person, place, things, and proper noun means for a particular person. Okay, place, thing. Now, in this class, I will teach you about classifications and groups. Okay, nouns are generally classified into two groups. What are they? Countable noun, and second one is uncountable noun. See what ma'am is writing. Nouns are generally classified into two groups. Okay, what are they? First one is countable noun. And second one is uncountable noun. So nouns are generally classified into two groups. What are they? Countable noun, and second one is uncountable noun. Now see, what is countable noun? Countable noun means which we can count. Okay, which we can count. Countable noun means which we can count. Okay, is called what? Countable noun. For example, bus, car, boy, girl, etc. So countable noun means which we can count is called countable noun. For example, bus, car, boy, girl, etc. Okay. Now, second one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means which we cannot count. Okay. Uncountable noun means which we cannot count. Which we cannot count. Okay. For example, rice, sugar, water. We can count? No. So, for example, oil, water, milk, sugar, etc. So, it is well clear to all of you now. What is nouns are generally classified into two groups. What are they? Countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun means which we can count. Okay, for example, bus, car, boy, girl, etc. And uncountable noun means which we cannot count. Rice we can count. Water we can count? No. So, for example, oil, water, milk, sugar, and some more example is there. Okay. So, now, next one is countable nouns are classified into two forms. What are they? Singular and plural. See. Countable noun are classified into two forms. What are they? Singular, and second one is plural. So, countable nouns are classified into two forms. What are they? Singular and plural. What is singular? Singular means for single. Singular means for single. For example, car, bus, etc. Okay. Now, second one is plural. Plural means for more than one. Plural means more than one. For example, cars, buses, etc. Okay, now I am giving you some example of singular and plural, then it will be very easy to you to understand. Okay, see. Singular and plural. Car. What will be the plural of car? Cars. Leaf. What will the plural of leaf? Leaves. Box. Boxes. Watch. Watches. Okay, all of you understanding now what I am writing? In singular, for single, plural means for more than one. But in some cases, for example, ship. If I am writing ship, plural also will be ship. Okay, there is no change. Okay, if I am writing deer, plural also will be the same. Okay, there is no change. In some nouns, plurals will be not changed, but in others, it will be changed. Okay, now so all of you well understand now. Nouns are generally classified into two forms. What are they? Countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable, which we can count. Uncountable, which we cannot count. Now countable nouns are classified into two forms. What are they? Singular and plural. Singular means for single and plural means for more than one. So it is very clear to all of you now. Okay, now today's assignment I am giving you. Question number 1. What is countable noun? What is countable noun? Give two examples. Give two examples. And question number 2. Give two examples. Give two examples of singular and plural. So today assignment I have given what is countable noun. Give two examples, and the second question is give two example of singular and plural. So it is well clear to all of you now. Okay, please utilize this time in studying. Don't waste your time and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a wonderful day.